live outside of Fallon. There's a trail. Sometimes there's guides, but during COVID time, you're not going to see any guides. And it looks like it's a pretty long trek to get out there. Hidden Cave is 8. And there's Burnt Cave over here. So I don't know which one is closer. Hidden Cave. And you have to go all the way up and all the way back. And Burnt Cave is over here. Might try to do Burnt Cave. That's 500 feet. So it's 500, 500, it's 1,000 feet. Well, we'll see here. Still walking this trail up the Hidden Cave. There's no brochures. There was a map on the sign down there, but I couldn't memorize it. So I hope I'm going the wrong way. I should have taken a picture of it, but I don't think I did. I think I just took way down there. Just about see it is my car. So I hiked all the way up here. Still looking for the cave. Where is it? Well, how about throwing a map up here, people, so you can see? I don't know. I goofed up when I didn't take a picture of the diagram at the bottom. Oh well. Okay, still walking up. I think this is it because I see a structure up here. So maybe this is the cave, finally. There's something up here. Kind of steep right here. That's for sure. Still picking them up and putting them down. All right. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh man. And it's closed now. Doors are locked. Can't go in. But yeah. This is the entrance to Hidden Cave. Anybody home? Nope, I guess nobody's home there. Another low entrance there, of course. I don't know what that is. But good view from up here. And I'm going to take a different path going down, I think. There's my car out there in the parking lot. I'm going to take a little rest up here. All right. Hopefully this trail will intercept that one you see down there. I'm hoping. Oh boy, this is a steep one going down there. Not good footing either. I may be sliding down on my butt most of the way here. Who knows? All right. Made it down from way up there. Had to go baby steps and sideways the whole way down. Here's another sign. Might as well stop to read this. What's over here? It says I'm close by. Number 9. Let's see what this guy says. A large area of reddish gravel. Okay. I guess that's what all this is here. Okay. Now I'm down to the easier part. So I think what I did, I walked up here, but maybe I walked up here and then came back down to Hidden Cave. But I think I went up here, and I remember turning back and then coming back down. I did a trail that's not even marked on here because I went down here and somehow came back down to this point here. So, oh well.